Chicken Korma Recipe. About Chicken Korma Recipe, Mughalai Chicken Korma Recipe. Subbalakshmi Khan, a professional dancer, cooks up Mughalai chicken korma with generous amounts of spices and Indian flavors. Korma is a gravy dish that is usually made with yogurt, lots of nuts and spices. A Mughal era original chicken korma is perfect dinner party dish that is easy, quick and a no fuss recipe. Ingredients of chicken korma recipe. Chicken korma cooked in a host of spices such as cardamom, cloves, garlic, coriander, chili powder, ginger paste along with a mixture of fried onions and yogurt. Flavored with saffron, this chicken korma is the perfect dinner dish to cook tonight. Ingredients of chicken korma: half kg chicken, 1 cup oil, 2 to 3 teaspoons ghee, 8 to 10 cardamoms, 6 to 7 cloves, 2 garlics, 1 coriander powder, 1 cup yogurt, 2 onions, 1 gram masala, few strands of saffron for garnishing, coriander leaves chopped. How to make chicken korma: heat the vegetable oil into pan, then put a dollop of ghee. Put cardamom, cloves, garlic and fry the mix properly. Then add the chicken and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Keep stirring it once it becomes brown and coriander and chili powder. Add salt to taste. Add ginger paste, mixture of fried onions and yogurt. Let it cook for a minute. Then put gram masala and saffron for flavor. If gravy is too thick, and little bit of water before covering it. The masala should fuse well with the chicken. Cover it and give it some time to cook on slow fire. Let it simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. Keep stirring occasionally. Serve hot and garnished with coriander leaves. Key ingredients are chicken, oil, ghee, cardamoms, cloves, garlic, coriander powder, chili, salt, ginger paste, yogurt, onions fried. With the yogurt, gram masala, few strands of saffron, coriander leaves. Read about the best Indian chicken recipes we have. So here the other recipes. Nutrition. Nutrition value: 30 gram of protein, 50.6 gram of fats, 8.27 grams of carbs, 615 kilocalorie calories, 154.62 mg calcium, 1.81 mg iron, 1863.96 mg sodium, 456.92 mg potassium. The cook time for the chicken korma is about total cook time is about 1 hour and 10 minutes. Preparation time is 10 minutes. Cook time is 1 hour. Recipe: servings 4 and medium. So method we have already checked that. Nutrition notes. Let's see images about chicken korma recipe. This is how it looks like. Mouth-watering chicken korma.